Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reduce virtual machine costs with IBM Cloud step by step clearly. Start by assessing your current virtual machine usage. Identify the workload requirements for your applications. Evaluate the resource allocation for each virtual machine. Consider resizing virtual machines to fit actual needs. Shut down any unused or underutilized virtual machines. Consolidate workloads onto fewer virtual machines. Review IBM Cloud's pricing model for different instance types. Select cost-effective pricing options, such as pay-as-you-go or reserved instances. Utilize the IBM Cloud cost management tools to monitor expenses. Implement automation to scale resources dynamically based on demand. Explore the benefits of using IBM Cloud bare metal servers for specific workloads. Analyze potential discounts for extended commitment periods. Investigate IBM Cloud's hybrid solutions to improve efficiency. Consider using IBM Cloud Kubernetes for containerized applications. Regularly review and optimize storage options associated with your virtual machines. Audit license usage for software running on your virtual machines. Set up alerts for budget thresholds to stay informed of spending. Apply tagging to resources for better tracking and management. Document changes made to virtual machines for future reference. Finally, schedule regular reviews of your virtual machine strategy to ensure ongoing cost efficiency. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.